Kinley, what are you drawing? What's on your head? Is that a hat? Yeah, it's a hard hat. It's a bowl, actually, but it's on your head. It's like a hat. Kinley, you look so pretty. Can you say thank you? You're welcome. Oh. You look so beautiful in that hat. Do you want me to get your pen? Mommy, get your pen. Yeah. Oh, careful. Hat. Okay, it's kind of... Here. It's a little hard to stay on your head, okay? Because it's, we're pretending it's a hat. Because it's a bowl. Okay? Oh, I'm sorry. There you go. Okay. Can we go get you a real hat? Mommy, go get you a real hat. Here. Here's two. Here you go. How about this one? Facciabella, you look so pretty. Hat. What? I'm watching you draw. Yeah. What are you drawing? Take your hat off before it falls down. Thank you. Put your book in the hat. Put your hat on the table. Hat. Here. Why don't we just put the book? Put your pen in the hat. Put your pen in the bowl. Thank you. Now put your book in there. Yeah. Hooray! Okay.